Gather the ingredients for cooking. Clean the ackee fruit like this. Alternatively, drain the water and use the canned ackee. Dice the vegetable seasonings for cooking like this. Skin the red herring like this. Remove the head. Clean in between the fish good. Wash it. Boil it. Debone it. And then break red herring fish chunks like this. Boil the ackee in water for 8 or 10 minutes to tenderize it. Put a pot on medium heat. Saute the diced vegetable seasoning for 30 seconds. Add the fish chunks. Stir fry it. And then add the cooked ackee. Stir in. Turn the stove's flame on low and then cover the pot. After a minute it's finished, turn it off. Ackee and red herring is delicious with cooked food. For the detail, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.